The Etchells trailer is now finished, and we have the bow going towards the ball rather than the stern going towards the ball now. We painted it blue. We've got pads to support the boat. There's the keel stop, and we put carpet on the inside of the keel stop. There are the back supports with pads to support the Etchells. And we figured out where to put the axle, where the most weight would be on the boat.
Keel guide system.
The keel guide system. And here is the keel guide from the back. This is where the Etchells will come in. And you can see the keel stop right there. And we're looking forward to taking the boat out of the water and seeing how everything goes.